Namaskar and welcome to Panorama Literature Festival. I'm extremely happy to be a part of a festival that believes in a universal truth of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world is my family. I'm extremely glad that I'm a part of this collective of writers that believes in such a beautiful saying and stands by it. So today for this festival I'm going to read 3 of my poems. The first one is called The Coordinates of Us. We are not poets. We are translators of culture. We are not wordsmiths. We are a cavalry, language created to defend the last bastion of human intellect. We are not writers. We are nuclear weapons designed to not destroy but create. We detonate peace. Our chemical warfare brings strange mutations in love. We can inject love in the bloodstream of humanity, and yet we never find ourselves. We stay hidden in our alphabets, the matras, the velantis, the akars, the ukars, under the burden of punctuations. The weight of our grammar outweighing the rose that grows collectively within our bodies. Until now, our territories were unfounded. No land ever united us. No geography ever showed us on a map until you unearthed me in your words under your dots, hanging below your colons and exclamations, while peeling the sticky sheet of grammar, where I lay sprawled languages below, waiting to be unearthed. We never knew we had coordinates. It never occurred that we too own a country, a state, a city, a town, a village, a home, an address. But now we know we have a place where borders vaporize and words meet, where languages make love on open esplanades, where silence can be arranged in an alphabetical order. The point where you and I stand, that is where a new nation of whispers and pure echoes will be formed. Those will be the coordinates of us. My second poem is a translated piece, very beautifully rendered by Rochelle Potkar. While the original Marathi poem is called Ata Nisarga, this is its English translation. Flash. Now, in any instance, nature will take control from our hands. At any moment will come a storm, will come a tsunami. Rivers will flood or be lambasted by earthquakes, and fissures will form over the earth's soul and surface. Because in Jerusalem, that small boy, when hounded, with a gun's barrel between his 2 eyes, a finger on the trigger, said just this much: I'm going to tell God everything. On humanity, never such devastation was spat. That's why. Do not search for reasons when clocks freeze time. That's why don't search for reasons when clocks freeze time soundlessly. Just soundly sleep, thinking of your body, a response to the teeny boy's last cry. My third and my last poem is for all of you, is for all the writers, and this is in Marathi. तिथे भेटूया मित्रा. तुझ्या माझ्यात जी हिरवी जागा उगवली आहे, तिथे भेटूया मित्रा. जिथे अजूनही शेक्सपियर शेवटचा अंक लिहितोच आहे, जिथे तुकोबा कीर्तनात मग्न आहेत, जिथे मोने आपली फुलांची बाग सजवतोय, जिथे सूर येतो मोझार्टचा अनपेक्षित लाटेसारखा, जिथे न्यूटन झाडाखाली बसलाय आकाशाकडे टक लावून, तिथे भेटूया मित्रा. जिथे तुझ्या माझ्यातली आदिम खूण सापडेल, जिथे आपल्या दोघांमधल्या जाणीवा तरारून येतील यज्ञासारख्या, जिथे बालपणातली हरवलेली हिरवी पानं सापडतील, जिथल्या ढगांना आपण दिलेला आकार असेल, तिथे भेटूया मित्र, तिथे भेटूया मित्र. जिथल्या झाडांच्या देठांना पुस्तकांची पालवी फुटेल, जिथे तू हसल्यावर अक्षरच पडतील पानगळीसारखी आणि भिजवतील आपला सारा देह आपल्याच ओल्या चिंब झालेल्या अर्थांनी. जिथे तुला मला इंद्रधनुष्य वाटून घेता येईल, तिथे भेटूया मित्र, तिथे भेटूया मित्र. जिथे आपल्याला शोधत येतील आपल्यासारखे कुणीतरी, जिथे आपल्या भेटीची खूण म्हणून एक काजवा चमकत राहील झाडात. ह्या आणि पुढच्या जन्माआधी येणारे जे ठिकाण आहे, तिथे भेटूया मित्र, तिथे भेटूया मित्र. आय एम एक्स्ट्रीमली ग्लॅड that Panorama Literature Festival did think of me and gave me this wonderful opportunity to connect with so many writers and become a part of this wonderful family. Thank you, and thank you. See you soon.